Guys, this is a free audio from Revolutionary Challenges episode 1. So if we can make it into episode 30, I'll make a playlist of season 1. This is free audio, so cut until I say go. Go. Wow, I think Ice is not totally beautiful. Yeah, I think he's so jealous. I don't understand. I don't get it. Jealous, you're not beautiful. Oh, I gotcha. Like the time he asked it leave. Oh, leave. You think I look nice? Nah. I hate you. Oh, yeah. I really hate her now. Flowery could beat her up like that. Fire, go melt her. Fire, go melt her. Oh, that ice is seriously getting on my nerves. Fire, go melt her. Fire, go melt her. I am not going to melt ice. I am fire. And what is my poison? Okay, I'm getting a match and you go. And I will not go like that, you know. Note. I think Clocky's going to attack you now. What do you mean? He's coming. Brush. I found you. I am going to kill you. What the hell? What the hell did ice just broke? What the hell? He just broke from nowhere. Clocky, stop right now. Hey, Hardy, no, I'm going to break you. Clocky. Like a break. I think I should stop. Yeah, like the conversation, I just heard everything. I was like, yeah, Bosh. Oh, no. But, and I forgot to tell something. And I am not a thief. And because I'm painted yellow, so I gotta get a bucket of fun. I'm red though. I'm nothing. Why? Why did you just got me? When you're gonna say, just tell me already. Hand the ball. Fine, River Ball. I'm going to tell you, but you have to promise you won't cry. Okay? Their conversation annoys me every single day. Shield. Don't be rude. They're just conversating. You know, conversating in a conversation. I got you. I got you. Man, I got you. For real. Dude, stop repeating the same thing every day. Sorry, Mom. Hey, Grass, isn't that just a wonderful day? For sure, I guess. For sure, I guess. But I'm really getting bored. Maybe we can ask for. Maybe we should get our host. What do you mean host? Object show. Gasp. What about Popcorny? He doesn't even have a glass. Popcorny, I got you a glass. Oh wow. Thanks for the glass. Oh wow, first thanks for the glass. I'm going to host an object show. Gee, wow, I didn't even need to ask. So, just start the intro and we'll move on to the challenge for us to decide the teams. Alright. So the challenge is dodgeball. Well, just kidding. The challenge is a quiz. If you play games or watch other object shows, you might know the answers. Who was the first one? What was the name of episode 7 of Excellent Entities? Obstacle overload. Yeah, you know, obstacle overload, object overload. I got it, because they both have overload on their names. And note, you know the answer. I forgot. Note, you're the first out. And what about you, Clocky? Mean. You don't have to be mean, I guess. Man, I really wanted to guess, but it's not. Wait, you said Excellent Entities, but it's the season or just the show? Season. Obstacle course. You're out. Next question is, what was the last person eliminated on Anatomy 71? I know it. Yes, Marble. It was Pickle. Wow, how did you know my name? I'm the first recommended character of on the show. And okay. Your name is Cucumbery. Your name is Cucumbery. I know. I can read the subtitles. Darn it! So, does that mean I am? Yes, you're safe. After a few minutes and a pathetic and idiot and stupid and idiotic failure later, you challenge puzzle, marble, and brush. Final question. What was the name of this? What was the name of what is the rarest marker in front of markers? Yes, puzzle. Danger marker. You're out. Oh. So that means Marble and Brush will pick the teams next episode. And see you in Revolutionary Challenges 2. Cut this. Okay, cut this part. Okay, that's all for it yet. There's the ending. What happens with the recommended characters? They're gonna send you. They will get to a proper place of punishment inside the locker of recommended characters. What? No. Okay, we done this. Cut this part too. And okay, see you in next time.